Hey, Mallrats, we're here at Estancia Mall for one of the last few days of Women's Month 2025, and there is a women's art gallery here, and paintings, art, and bazaar. That's very womanly. I like that. Hey, Mallrats, we're here at Estancia Mall for one of the last few days of Women's Month 2025, and there is a women's art gallery here. Seems familiar, actually. So I just wanted to take these photos over here because these seem very familiar to the paintings that I saw in the other place in Greenhills. Are they printouts? Because that one looks they are printouts, no? It's very identical to that one, just colored. I see. These are printouts. These are just colored printouts. I see. Okay. Just wondering. So be your own kind of beautiful and smart stuff. It's a side thing. Look at this. So over here we still have the generic. So there's no art gallery here. Art gallery is over at Greenhills Mall in San Juan. We are in Estancia Mall in Pasig, which is another Ortigas Mall. Instead, there is a bazaar with stuff and paintings, art, and bazaar. That's very womanly. I like that. Hey, that's the kind of thing you should put in Women's Month. Yep. There you go, right here. So these are jewelry. Music stuff. Ooh, look at that. Fine. Some classic stuff. Ooh. Very woman-friendly. Crystals and tarot reading. Psychic stuff. I approve. Oh, these are really cool looking jewelry things. Look at those. Those stuffs. That's cool. Wallets, but these are male wallets. Well, some of them are girly wallets, but a lot of them are dude wallets. Oh, look like my wallet. What is this? Pabango. Okay. And that is things. Bomba looking things. This. Ooh. Cross stuff. Because it is Lent right now. Look at that. Really cool looking crosses. Look at this one. Pray, hope, and don't worry. Bad reveal. It's cute. These are actually pretty cute. Stylistic. Very non-traditional. Of course, those necklaces are kind of. Okay. The other side is coffee or something that. Oh, other stuff. Okay. Low carb stuff. Okay. So it's keto stuff. Oh, okay. It's not just coffee. It's like bread and stuff. Here we have ube, yam stuff. Okay. Look at that. Ube. Oh yeah. Here we have milk. Probably organic milk, maybe. Archer's Farm. Cow's milk, Carabao's milk, and yogurt. Does it say if it's straight from the cow, raw milk or something? I don't know. Probably not. That's not really a thing in the Philippines because we import most of our milk. This is cookies and other pastries. Oh, yes, and later. Okay. And we have more doodads and trinkets. Oh, there's another side. Look at that. We have doodads and trinkets. We have bracelets and necklaces and cute little things. Okay. Ooh. Earrings, jewelry, earrings, bunch of stuff. Earrings, oh here we go, bags, Lala, handmade. Oh, this is cute, look at that. Is it open? Oh, it does open, doesn't it? Oh, that's cute. It's a tree of gondol. That's cute. It's a cute little box thing. Historic looking thing. And there's another side apparently. Check it out. All the handmade bags. Ooh, this jewelry looks more expensive. Starbucks. Here we have, oh yeah, that's real stuff. Real jewelry. You can see 25 grand for some of the rings and stuff. So that's got to be real stuff. That's real. Wow. 16,000 bucks for this frog thing. Okay. This is perfume. Make your own perfume, I think, or something. Tadhana. It's got, there's Tadhana, I guess. Yes. And then pearls. Looks like it's all, but no, it's not. It's just a bunch of. Oh, look at those. That's cute. Well, no one's here apparently. That's I like these large, irregular shaped pearls. These are cool. South Sea pearls or something like that. From the south, Mindanao. Here we have bracelets. Oh, more pearl stuff. What other things? There's a lady, so we'll skip over that. Closing our sale. Muvu, Singapore. They have brownies or something that looks like brownies. What are these? Brownies. They are brownies. Muyo. Ooh, here's more food. This one's cookies. Crumble City by Rancy. Ooh, these look nice. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Cake. Cake. Okay, later, maybe. So, cakes and cookies and stuff. Crumble City. Yeah, my cake. I like some. Oh, look at that. Truffles. Croissant waffles. Look at that. That actually looks cute. Cookies for 50 bucks each. Expensive, but actually not compared to the other shit you find sometimes. Here is more foodie food. What is this? Baked puff. That's baked puff, and they have, ooh, look at that. So here are the baked puffs. Look at that. Oh, they're essentially empanadas, I think. Turnover, spice, chicken puff, spinach puff, corn puff. How much are they? 70 bucks per piece. That's okay, I guess. And there you go, guys. That's it. That's your adventure. There you go. Let's go to the entrance right here. There you go, guys. So that is the Women's Month Bazaar entitled Womenpreneur, a lifestyle fair honoring women entrepreneur. Just one. March 26 to 30, 2025 at the ground floor East Atrium. So that's what this is called, the ground floor East Atrium of the Estancia Mall at Capitol Commons. There you go, guys. You know what to do. Just comment on stuff. Leave an amusing comment on any of the amusing things you guys would like to wear or buy or something, or would like me to buy or wear. I'm not buying. I'm not a woman. Anyway, I'll see you guys around. Mallrat out. Mallrat. I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna go check the cinemas if there's anyone buying Snow White tickets. Alright, guys. Mallrat out.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat